What's up, kids? I'm Dfb Sire, and today I'm gonna be cooking ramen. Let's go. Follow me to the pantry as I choose what flavor I want to eat today. And I choose hot and spicy chicken flavor. Let's head over to the prep area. Take the cardboard wrapper off, take the plastic off, and read the directions. First, you get a bowl and put it inside so it won't spill. Let's head over to the sink. Then fill it up to the line and make sure you don't go over it. Now it's time to microwave. But since I'm short, I need a ladder to reach. Place the noodles in the microwave for 3 minutes. Wait for the countdown. 3, 2, 1. Beep, beep, beep. Now you must safely remove the noodles from the microwave. Drain the juice so you won't spill it on yourself. But you can leave a little to your preference. Now it's time to get the remaining juice from the bowl and pour it into your noodles. Make sure to clean up behind yourself. And voila! You got yourself some noodles. It's your boy Dfb Sire.